What's up, loves? It's your girl Krissy M, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be doing more of an unboxing video, you guys. I want to show you guys what I actually picked up and got from the Sephora Vib, which I believe is already over. If it's not, I think it ends today. But yeah, so if you guys are loving some of the products that I do show you guys for today, you guys can find everything down below in the description, so that way you're able to shop it for yourself. So before we get into the video, you guys, make sure you guys go right now, hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, especially if you love videos like this, unboxing videos, makeup videos, because I'm going to have more videos coming similar to this your way this week. So let's go ahead and hop into the video, guys. So I have two different boxes that's from Sephora, full of goodies. Oh, here it is. The name is right here. Full of goodies, you guys. I didn't get a ton of stuff, you guys, because I really have a lot of makeup. I have a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to find, you know, a way to organize all my makeup and beauty products. So it's just really out of control right now. So your girl just took a little bit of a step back when it comes to the makeup products, but I did get some products that I did want to try out and test out. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So you guys, one thing that I love about Sephora is that when you shop on their online website, they are always giving you samples. Like, they give you so much samples, you guys, that you can pick and choose from, and you can test out new items each time you order in hopes that maybe you'll like it and you'll buy it again. So that's one of my favorite things I love about Sephora and why I shop there. So the first thing that I got, you guys, that I picked up is a holiday collection from Too Faced. It's part of a holiday collection from Too Faced, you guys, and it is their matte melted holiday glosses, you guys, and I have it backwards. They're matte melted holiday liquid matte lip glosses, you guys, and I'm so excited about these. I'm so excited to swatch these on the lips. Now, if you guys do not already know, Too Faced normally comes out with 2 scents for the winter each year. Okay, so this year they came out with a whole 4 scents in a little, you know, package here, but normally they only came out with 2, and I got one of them last year because it was like limited edition, so I picked it up. But and it was like this. I absolutely love these liquid matte melted glosses. Oh my gosh, and they have scents to them, you guys. So, but one of the scents are Hot Toddy, we have Candy Cane, we have Sugar Cookie, and Caramel Apple. And when I tell you guys that these smell amazing, I took it out, you guys, just to smell them. Oh my gosh, it smells like the real thing. Plus, if you're loving a good matte lipstick, this is the perfect one for you. It's long lasting. It's not going to give you like that little stickiness when you apply it to your lips. I mean, it gives you great color. Plus, you're going to have smell good lips all day long, sis. So this is something that you guys would want to pick up and maybe give as a, you know, gift, you know, gag for somebody or for yourself. They are mini, you guys, so they're not like the full size. The price of this was actually $25. Let me show you guys. So they are mini. So cute, you guys. This is like perfect for a gift, like I said, for somebody, you know, or again, if you just want some nice shades for yourself. This is all year round shades you can rock and wear all year round. So you guys, so for the next item that I picked up, now you guys know that I did a video for this VIB sale, you guys. So pretty much I put things that I was actually getting and things that I wanted to get, that I wanted to try out and to test out. So one of the things that I did end up getting, you guys, was the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. This is their Soft Glam 2 palette, you guys. Okay, they have a bigger version of this palette, but I wanted to try the mini because I've never tried one of their palettes at all. So this is my first time that I'm going to be testing this out, and I would do this look or in a separate video because I also got some other products from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. But you guys, this palette, the colors, you guys. Let's talk about the packaging of this first and foremost, okay? Of the actual palette itself. Okay. ANASTASIA Beverly Hills is always coming out with palettes with like glitz and glam textures, looks almost like Huda Beauty. So this actually, you guys, is soft like suede. Like, if you guys can like see this very closely, oh my gosh, this feels so amazing. Like, who would have ever thought to put suede or velvet on your actual makeup palette? So creative, So nice, and the colors, you guys, are just so stunning. They're great for a holiday glam, you know, with, you know, Christmas coming up and everything. Just look at those colors, you guys. Oh my gosh. Now, the original bigger palette, you guys, has way more colors than this, but you know what? I'm satisfied with this palette. I'm satisfied with the colors in here because this is a travel size, and I'd rather take this smaller one and travel with me versus me taking a big palette and not having room in my suitcase. So cute. This retailed for $29, you guys. Such a deal. I believe the original one was $54, but this is such a deal, you guys. Such a deal. All right, you guys, so the next thing that I picked up from Sephora, the VIB sale, you guys, was the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. This is the original brow wiz pencil as well as the eye brush tint, you guys. I actually used it today and I absolutely love how it turned out. I actually like the brow wiz from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. I also do have the pomade that I use from time to time, but with that pomade, you guys, you have to be careful because it is like a cream, and you put too much on, it just be looking horrible. You don't want to do that. So this is perfect for somebody if you're on the go, you just want to do a quick eyebrow, you want to be able to manage the type of brow that you want to do. So if you want to do a natural brow, if you want to do a dramatic brow, this set right here will allow you to do this. Now this one retailed for about $25 as well, you guys. So worth it. You cannot beat that at all because you get two. It's 2 in 1. Like, what? You need this. You need this. We always, and you know, we use these and they run out and they run out. So it's good to stock up on them, you know, while they're like this. So this is a great buy. Again, put in somebody's like bag for Christmas. They're stocking stuffers. You know what I mean? People who are into makeup, who love makeup, any one of these, you know, makeup products, you guys can put it in stocking stuffers and give to somebody. You know, why not? All right, you guys, I also picked up 2 lip liners. They're the Sephora brand lip liner. They were actually $6. Now let me tell you about these, you guys. Okay, when you're online on the Sephora website, things could look bigger than what they really seem to be. So I thought that these were actually like, you know, longer, you know, lip liner pencils, but these are super like short. They're like minis. They're like travel size, which is perfect for me because I don't wear lip liners every single day, but if I want to throw on a lip liner, I do have a selection to choose from. So with that being said, you guys, if you are shopping on their website, I would prefer you go into the store. When I went to the store, you guys, it was like heaven for me. There was so much makeup. Everything was so bright and pretty. Everything was just like, oh my gosh, I need this, I need that, I need that. I would prefer for you guys to hop into the store unless you just have to shop online, you guys, but again, the color on these that I do have, deep brown. So more of like a chocolate brown, which I love. I feel like that looks good on my skin tone. And also we just have a red. And this shade on this one is called Classic Red. Again, you guys, I would post everything down below for you guys to be able to shop it if you are liking what I'm showing you. All right, you guys, so the next product is going to be more of like a face primer. It is the FARSALI. I don't know if you guys have used this brand, drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about it. This is gonna be my first primer using from this brand, you guys. I've only seen and heard good things about this brand, so I had to pick it up. Now I wanted the bigger size, you guys, but unfortunately it was sold out. So I picked up the mini size, so in which is good for me to try because if I really like the product, you guys, I will definitely go and buy the bigger bottle. But you guys, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's more like a white consistency, maybe a little bit thick, but not too thick. So it can really be a great primer. I haven't tried it yet at all, you guys, but on my next makeup look that I'm going to be doing tomorrow, I will definitely put it on my face for you guys to be able to see how I like it. But it's very popular. It's a perfecting primer serum, skin tune blur. So it's supposed to be a really, really good primer, you guys. Like I said, I've only heard good things about it, so we will see. We will see. All right, and the last thing that I picked up, you guys, was the Rituals. So Rituals, you guys, is more body care. So there is a shower, foaming shower gel here. There's a lotion here, and there's a body scrub down below. You guys, this is actually like the travel, like try me size. This is actually $20. And so you guys, I wanted to pick this up because I heard another YouTuber say that this was actually a great product, a great body care for your skin. It smells amazing. It's great. You need to try it out. So I'm like, sis, I'm on Sephora. I'm definitely going to try it out. So So I went ahead and picked up the trial size, you guys, just so I can see if I really like it. Because with body care, you guys, if we're not in person where you can smell it, it's kind of hard. But also you can look at the keynotes online to see if that's something that you guys actually like. And if it flows with your body skin tone or body scent as well. So you guys, the foam, I've already used this, by the way. The foaming body wash is amazing. The scent on this, you guys, is so good. I'm trying to see, you guys, I want to tell you guys the scent of this. I'm gonna look up the scent, the keynotes, because I really want you guys to, especially when you're shopping, I feel like you need to know what you're buying, the smell, the keynotes, to see if there's similar other things that you like that will go in with your body. You know what I mean? Because certain keynotes don't go with everybody. Certain perfumes don't go with everybody. You know what I mean? So you need to make sure that whatever you are purchasing, it's right for your body type and you actually like the scent. Okay, so you guys, I'm on Sephora's website right now, and I'm actually gonna pull it up here. Here's the website. That's what I purchased, you guys, for $20. It's a trial. And let's see the keynotes on this. Details. Okay, you guys, so it is a trial set, like I stated, that contains a shower foam. The shower foam, you guys, is amazing. A little goes a long way because it really foams. It smells nice going on. Your body is so soft. The sugar scrub I haven't used yet, and the body cream. The body cream, you guys, oh my gosh. So nice and creamy going onto the skin. Your skin is soft. You can just smell it on you. Just even after you put it on, even you lay down, take a nap, wake up, you smell it on you. It's amazing. It smells great. So body cream for soft and nourished skin. Now this type of product is used for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. So even if you have oily skin, you can use this. Now, skincare concerns, you guys, dryness to dullness, all right? So let's really get down and see what the actual keynotes are. Okay, Holy Lotus provides a sweet floral aroma for a special summery feeling. I love that Holy Lotus because it smells good on my body. White tea nourishes and visibly revitalizes the skin, which is great because if you have dry and dull skin, it'll bring it back to life and keep the moisture in. Sweet almond always smells good. Sweet almond oil, rich in vitamins and minerals to soothe and moisturize the skin. You guys, this is a product you definitely do want to have. Like I said, even if you have to do the trial size like me for $20, do it, sis. It is so worth it, and it's something that you would actually enjoy having in your shower, in your bed, in your bathroom, you know, shower area, to be able to bathe with and to keep yourself nice and smelling good. So definitely I'm going to be purchasing the bigger size of it. Okay, so before I end off the video, again, this wasn't a super long video. I just wanted to show you guys what I have. I wanted to share with you the samples that I have. I am now a VIB customer, which means that I spend over $500 within a month or so. That's a lot. That's a lot. That is a lot. But with that being said, you guys, it comes with like a lot of different perks, and also I have a Sephora credit card. So, you guys, one of the samples that I actually picked up was the Tatcha. This is their routine refresh. Okay, it's a mini, it's a trial, again, testers, right? So we have the face cleanser. Let's see if we can focus in. This is the face cleanser, you guys. This is for normal to oily skin. I've never tried this at all, you guys. This is my first time trying it, but when I do try it, you guys, I will let you know. This may be my up-to-date new skincare routine, because a lot of people talk about Tatcha so much, you guys, and I'm like, let me try it for myself. And then I also have the water cream. Okay, again, I've never tried it before, but it's a pore perfecting Japanese wild rose for normal to oily skin. So again, even if you have oily skin, you can definitely use this product. So let me show you what the inside looks like. It looks really, it's like a white base cream, you guys. And it has a very fresh, clean smell. Very fresh, very clean. Let's see what the actual cleanser smells like. That's what the cleanser looks like, you guys. And it smells the same. It smells very fresh. I smell lemon in there. Very fresh and very clean. So I'm excited to be actually trying this. I'm actually going to try it tonight, you guys. And again, if it's great, it's going to be my new skincare routine. And I will do an up-to-date skincare routine for you guys. Especially if you have oily skin and you're trying to clear up some marks on your face. Or you just want to have some great products, you know, for your face. Because I've been using a new moisturizer, you guys. And I feel like if you have oily skin, you should be using this moisturizer that I have, and I'm gonna talk about it in my next video, you guys, but this is gonna be great for you guys. Also, you guys, they give perfume samples. I got Dolce & Gabbana, and then I also got Flower Bomb Midnight. This is the Victor, what is it, Rolf? So yeah, also you guys, if you're trying to test out new foundations, new concealers, they give you samples for that, okay? So I've never tried Makeup Forever. I wanted to get the sample of that, you guys, because I wanted to see if I'm going to like it on my skin tone. Is it a good matte foundation for me? And I also got the concealer. So this has become something new for me to be able to try and test out to see if I like it or not. Alright, you guys, so that concludes today's video. Again, if you made it to the end of this video and you're feeling your girl, you're vibing with me, make sure you guys go ahead, hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so that you are notified when I do upload new videos, because you're not gonna miss anything that I bring. And as usual, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.